Hi, my name is Simon Smith. I'm a musician and composer specialising in music for film and television. I've worked with many directors and production companies, and my music can be heard in cinemas or on platforms like Netflix and Amazon.
That's it!
I've always loved to improvise, extending my music making beyond the piano, the guitar and the drums into the world of making music with machines. Fascinated by all the possibilities of music production, I then got into shorts and documentaries and finally into feature films. Scoring a film is a completely different process to just composing music. You need to break down the story to work out where to add layers of musical narrative that complement or contrast the plot. This process reveals the power of music. It evokes feelings that words and images alone cannot, and helps to bring a film to life. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to conceptualize, develop and produce a score for a film. As a final project, you'll apply music to a short film or any other audiovisual project that you choose. To get started, I'll explain some key concepts and I'll show you the equipment I use. After that, we'll get to know the film production process and the people we'll be collaborating with. I'll talk to you about music from a storytelling point of view and how to use it in a film. Then we'll get into analysing a story, making notes while watching the film. It'll then be time to set up technically, configuring our digital audio workstation and working on a concept for the film. After that, we'll then explore how to create a musical translation from those concepts and applying them scene by scene. In the next step, we'll look at presenting our work to a director and how to mix down the final project for delivery. Last but not least, some legal details and some ideas on career development. By the end of this course, you'll understand better how to enhance a story by adding musical layers to a film. For this course, you'll need some basic music theory and the ability to record, edit or mix music in a digital audio workstation such as Logic, Cubase or Pro Tools. This course is aimed at anyone who's interested in how to score music for film or applying music to any audiovisual work. Let's tell compelling stories through music.